Continuing International Week, today we are going to the country of Georgia.
Georgia is a favorite travel destination for its thriving cities, ancient towns, its beautiful landscapes, and of course, its Black Sea resorts.
And I made these delightful breads. This is a khachapuri. It is a cheese bread, and I got the recipe from the King Arthur Baking Company. I will put a link to this recipe down in the description. It's a little labor intensive, but I think we're all up to the challenge. Let me show you how I made them.
For the dough, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter to 1 cup of milk and warm in the microwave until the butter is melted. In a large bowl, add 1½ teaspoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and ½ a teaspoon of dried coriander. Pour in the warm milk and butter mixture and stir until the sugar is dissolved. Gradually mix in 2 3/4 cups of bread flour combined with 2 teaspoons of instant yeast to form a shaggy dough. Cover and let rest for 10 minutes. Turn the dough out on a floured work surface and knead until it becomes smooth, about 8 to 10 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl. Cover and let rise for an hour to an hour and a half, or until it increases by at least a third. While the dough is rising, prepare your filling by combining 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, ½ a cup of ricotta, ½ a cup of crumbled feta, 1 large egg, ½ a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of chopped chives, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir well to combine. When the dough is ready, divide into 4 equal parts. Roll each piece into an oval shape, then cover with greased plastic wrap and let rest for 15 minutes. Prepare an egg wash by combining 1 beaten egg with a teaspoon of water. Spoon 1/4 of the cheese mixture onto the center of each oval and then spread it till it's about 1 inch from the edge. Pull the dough's edges up around the cheese, folding and twisting the ends to form the shape of a boat. Cover and let the dough rise for 20 minutes while you preheat your oven to 375. Brush the exposed edges of the khachapuri with the egg wash and then bake for 15 to 20 minutes. While your boats are in the oven, gather up 4 eggs and 4 teaspoons of butter. After 15 or 20 minutes, remove the khachapuri from the oven. Then use the back of a spoon to create a well in the center of each. Crack an egg into each well, place a teaspoon of butter on top, and bake for an additional 10 to 12 minutes or until the egg is set.
I mean, look at this. It's still warm from the oven. It's supposed to make you think of boats and the sun and the Black Sea. I would like to go to there. Anyway, you can make these as a wow for a brunch or a luncheon, or you can just treat yourself. From beginning to end, the whole thing took about 2 hours, but most of that was resting time. Active time was maybe 20 minutes. So you can save yourself a lot of time by doing all your pre-measuring and prep work the night before, and then on the day of, you just make your dough and go. So I think we should taste this. There's a lot of cheese in here. Okay. the bread part of it is, it's nice. It's nice. It's delicious. It took a second for all of the flavors to hit me. I don't know if you saw my reaction. It's really, really good. It's a tad salty because of the feta cheese in here. So if I were to make these again, and I might, I would use less salt in the filling, but other than that, they're delicious. So I hope you'll give these a try. If you like this video and you're enjoying International Week, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I would love to have you on board. See what I did there? It's a boat. And I will see you next time here at home with Anita Rosner.